Too many rides here. We're in phase 6. That's the phase where we've got two bikes side by side. The old 91 donor bike, decommissioned. 2K, the new addition to the stable and the motor and frame that we're basing our adventure riding bike on. And it'll be part of my fleet, made for riding up to the mountains and back home all in one day. That's the whole idea of this. Going to lakes and rivers and creeks and going for a ride and being able to get on dirt once we get up there. So I can just kind of get to a place and explore, and that's what it's all about, roaming around and having fun. And I've got to change out stator covers and get a new stator happening. Watch it happen right along with me doing it. We'll start out with the old decommissioned 1991. This bike didn't get cleaned up, so I'm a little tentative about working on it because it has grease all over it. Chain loop. So we got to find a way to carefully pry this off of here. There we go. Busted loose. Now we got to find a way to get this other cover off of here. I'm not sure if this one's going to be easier or tougher. Easier. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have two left side crankcase covers. Stator cover, two stators. OEM stator, puts out about 80 watts. You've got your Ricky stator, puts out 200 watts. It's capable of having two separate 100 watt circuits. But if you're going to go 200 watts, then you hook up both green wires, both white wires, which obviously go to your rectifier. And this goes to your CDI, the black wire. This Ricky stator is low on ohms resistance and needs to be replaced. We've got a new Ricky stator here to install, and it's easy enough to do. Let's get her bolted in. This part is supposed to be flush right here. They just barely give you enough length for this to fit through and sit in there properly. Okay, that's in. I've still got more cleaning to do. I will not show you the cleaning. I just want to get off any dirt and oil off the surface of this gasket area. You know, what's a gasket for? You could probably get away without using any gasket sealer. But I'll tell you, I don't ever want to get into the stator cover unless I have to. Certainly it's more of a hassle to renew the gasket surface after you put gasket sealer on. I'm willing to take that chance with the gasket sealer. Hopefully I'm not going to have to get in here and fix it because it's leaking. Okay, so here we go again on the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, here in phase 6, we're now at the spot where we're going to put the stator cover back on. We're putting the 2000 stator cover and the 2000 stator, which is OEM, onto the 91 motor. It's going to have to get back into later to take the motor apart, so I'm not even using... I am going to use a paper gasket, but I'm not using any goop or anything. So here it goes. Okay, that's it for the 91 for a while. I don't think I need any more parts off it right now. And we're going to be moving ahead with videos strictly dealing with 2K. We're moving ahead. Phase 6, that's the end of phase 6. Everything goes good according to plan. Now it's on to the rest of the accessories on the bike so that we can get to riding in March.